Hey, and welcome back to another video. So a dual unboxing, actually the first dual unboxing here on this channel of two Apple Watch Series 8s. The first one we have here is, as you can see, a Series 8 with the midnight aluminum case and a midnight sports band, exactly the same like this one, which I unboxed a few months ago when it was actually released for my personal use. And we also have another one, which is a Series 8 with the Starlight color and an aluminum case with the Starlight sports band as well. The Starlight is for my mom and the Midnight is for my dad, and we'll be going ahead and unboxing these two for the first time, a dual unboxing here on this channel. So let's jump right into it. So as usual, before jumping right in, don't forget to smash that like button down below as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions or comments regarding these two watches, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. We can start a discussion or I can answer your questions. My social media is also linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. And now let's jump right into this video. Alright, so let's actually start off with the Starlight, and both of these each was $3.99, so these are the base models. However, I bought a bunch of straps, metal straps. Let me grab those two. Here they are. So we have two metal straps off eBay. These are the same type that I use, and this is for the Midnight, this is for the Starlight. So they will probably be using them with the metal straps more often than with the rubber. So let's put the Midnight to the side for now and take the Starlight. So this is the standard box that it comes in, the usual stuff. Regulatory information and a sticker showing which a combination of stuff it is. I've covered up the serial number and all that stuff. Nothing on this side, nothing on that side, neither on that side, and neither on this side. Apple Watch at the top, it's textured of course as usual. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing by pulling back on these two. Opens up like that. This is the fancy cover box like thing. Let's put that to a side. And here we have the band and the watch itself. So let's grab the band first, flip it over. And then there should be a pull tab here. There we go. Pull this out. This is just the watch band with its information booklet like thing over here. And let's just keep that to a side for now and open this up. Just shows you how to put the strap on, and there we go. So we have the two bands like that. Oh, that thing just came off. That should actually be stuck to it. So yeah, those are the two straps, nothing else in that. And then of course the watch itself. Let's flip it over. Actually, let's have a closer look at this. As you can see, it is somewhat textured and raised like that, and it's in the color of the watch on the inside. Nothing on the sides. Well, actually, Series 8 Starlight aluminum case. Nothing on that side, nothing on that side, nothing on that side either. Back of the device, the model number, serial number, blah, 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 blah. Let's pull up on these tabs. Pull that, pull it to a side, the other one. And this should open up just freely like that. There we go. We have the information booklet over here. Apple Watch and blah, 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 some information. We have the hockey puck charger like thing in its case. Pull that open like that. There you go. Hockey puck, like magnetic hockey puck to USB-C is what they call it. And that is the watch itself in its sort of paper-ish case. I remember with the Series 5, they had, even for the base models, they had a leather case. But now because of all that eco stuff, they actually had to switch to a paper-ish case. So let's push it out like that. And there is the watch itself. Let's power it on. And while that thing is powering on, as you can see, This is the watch itself in Starlight. It's the back of the watch, the side of the speaker over here, and all that good stuff. So while that thing powers on, let's keep this all to a side and actually get the midnight one out. So this is the midnight one. Same stuff at the back, same stuff on all sides like this. Serial number, blah, 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 blah. Midnight, aluminum case, midnight sports band. Pull it up like that. There's the watch and the band. Let's actually keep that to the side. Look at the band itself. This is the midnight band. There's the band itself. They used to give extras. They used to actually give you the medium and the large, but now only what you select is what you get. So those are the bands. Let's put that away for now. Watch itself. Let's go ahead and open this thing. There we go. Don't be fooled by that. That's actually still paper and it's not leather like it used to be. Again, the information booklet, nothing major over there. Let's put that aside. Hockey puck charger thing. Again, nothing new. And the watch itself in the paper-ish case. 41mm. Push it out. Power it on, and there you go. The Starlight and Midnight unboxing of two Apple Watch Series 8s. Like I said, the Starlight is for my mom, the Midnight is for my dad. Let's go ahead and put their straps on. This goes like that. And there we go. So you may have noticed in my previous unboxing videos, I only buy the darker color. So it's actually nice to get up and close with the other colors. And in this case, the Starlight color, it is very, very nice. And here is a closer look at the thing. It's not white, it's not ivory, but somewhere in between. So yeah, really, really good stuff. Just a quick unboxing of these two watches. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you honestly did, don't forget to smash that like button down below, as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also don't forget to leave a question or comment down below so we can start a discussion where I can answer your questions. My social media is linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.